So Wakefield on the high side of car number 6 of Stephen Height. All right, here we go. Wakefield, he'll jump on him and take the lead down the back straightaway. David Eubanks, man, David can drive a race car. Stephen all right, Justin Wakefield, he'll lead him off turn number 4. The crate late models, gentlemen, I need you rolling. You should be lined up and ready. Three hard laps complete. Wakefield jumping out to a big lead. Stephen Height and Chuck Page continue to battle back in the back. Crate late models, you're the man. Wakefield work pedaling hard down the backside as the crate late models making their way into the staging lane. Here come Blant Dude. And Mr. Wakefield, he'll put her in victory lane in the Mike Vaughn Auto Exchange open wheel modified car.